Monday, March 30th, 2020. Please read the risk disclosure disclaimer. Any financial market is very dangerous to trade. Please trade only with the money you can play with. We are not here financial advisors, no other education institution. This is just for the game, for you, whatever you take it. Okay, let's please pause video, read this risk disclosure disclaimer so we can go on. Let's go take a look on the daily. This is for last 3,000 days, and as you can see, we are here on support in the white line, and actually for last 13 days we are in this area with support on the blue line, but now we are having resistance on the bottom line of the band. So there's, even if you continue higher, there's a huge resistance about 8,500. We're meeting this upper zone, magenta zone, with upper band lines. So got to be careful. We may have a run, but a lot of people are expecting we're gonna go much lower. I think even Goldman Sachs said that over the weekend. So that's for now where we are. We'll just go what market tells us and try to make another good day. Since last night we were almost like 400 some points on the Dow down. Now we are up in the futures market. You can see a little drop in Nasdaq over here. This is Nasdaq, and we went up. So for now we are long, so we'll see what's going to be during the day. Okay, I also did move this magenta zone to both of these charts. This is ES and M and Q. So as you can see over here, acts perfectly as a support when we're going long, even when it changes direction. And you can see here and what happens when we are too far, and we are too far also from the band, which, you know, we always buy when we are under the band and sell when we are over the band. And you can see here resistance, support, everything. So it's very good. These are like best places to sell. You can see resistance on the band, and we are oversold, overbought. So let's take a look. It's almost there. Same is for ES. Knowing under, we are short unless we go too far and we are under the both bands, then we are looking for long. And same over here. So here we go. Still long. We're still long on ES. and the Nasdaq 8 is under 20, so didn't cross yet, so we're not gonna go. Let's just go with
order filled.
1 and yes, because there's a long way to go up here.
Order submitted.
If Nasdaq hits over here, this line will just come out here and market. Just watch both markets. Let's see how much power they have. Alright, Nasdaq is hitting there, we'll just close it over here.
Order
And
filled.
there's a 237.5, so that's per contract. So one and done pretty much. This is overbought. Didn't catch on time. Okay. Let's go just sell
Order
it.
filled.
And the sale is let me see now. Well, it's about 77.04. Just can't see it from this now. The prices they're hitting. And we'll just make some profit.
Order submitted.
77.03.5. That's where we made a sale. Or we on M&Q, which is one contract, and we'll make about if we reach our target 70-80 ticks. All right, we made on Friday we made 154 ticks. I mean 354 ticks in like what 50 minutes or so. So that was a pretty good day too. I mean, we just traded M&Q and but we had some good, couple 3 good trades, and that's all it took, 354 ticks. So let's see over here. Got to be careful. Sometimes they can develop just a uptrend or downtrend, depends what kind trade you are. So if it doesn't want to hit your target, you just come out with profit and close the market. Like this is perfect setup for long, but just because we overbought, I'm still waiting to hit my target. So if this signal fails, they're going to be pulling back a little bit more, at least to 20. And you can see an ES pulling back. So that means we can get a little bit, a few extra ticks. we just got 84 5 ticks on this trade because it's MNQ. So this is what all took us, 5 minutes. We made 237.5 points on ES, and we are now almost 280. So we got that's why I said 4 for 5 ticks on Nasdaq. Doesn't matter, it's MNQ. But as you can see, a couple of trades and that's it. You can be finished in 5 minutes. The way markets are doing. And moving. So we'll be watching daily. Last 13 days we are pretty much in this zone or between the white and the blue support zone. There's a bottom, but there's resistance now for a couple of days. I don't know if we're gonna reach that again or not. If we continue longer, it's right there. Let's go get here. Vic is here.
What's up, guys? And welcome to the show. What kind of moves are the markets
We
making?
already finished with the trading, as I was saying, we could have some nice pullback, at least to 20, and that we are under the 20. So watch ES. ES can go to this band over here and have that some pullback there. But very much we could be finished for the day. We just made a Nasdaq 84, 85 ticks.
Mhm.
And then we made an ES 237 points. That's let me calculate that. I know how many ticks that is. I'm just gonna calculate that. That's a 19 ticks we made on ES, and we made 84.5 on NQ. So we are pretty much 100 ticks made it. We're done in 5 minutes.
Wow. That's
5
a nice-
minutes,
that's a nice day job.
Yeah. 5 minutes. So that's how it goes.
Well, how much money did you have to tie up for that?
It was only one contract on ES, so that was I believe now they're like $1,000. It was 500.
Okay.
That's all. We were talking all the time, and then one was here 100, and then that's it. So not much,
Wow.
not much. And we say even if it was $1,000, 1,100, you're talking close to 30% return in 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there's a big guys. There's a big support in this area over here. On the ES 25, 37. For say, let's just call 25, 35, 25, 33, 5 with this bottom of this support zone. So that would be a good place to start buying, because we're gonna be in oversold territory, big time. Plus we are having support with this zone, magenta zone, if we come to here. So let them just come back here, and then we'll go from there. And by the way, we had a good Friday too. So that's
Oh yeah, that was a great
yeah.
Friday.
So you were like 3-4 days in a row in
Yep.
profit.
Yep.
Whole last weekend,
made,
right?
Yeah, Friday made $300 and then just got out.
That's great. It wasn't that they were very choppy, so it was great.
Yeah, like it was a higher end of 300, so it was a good execution on Apple. And today I just made most of those
Yeah.
losses back anyway, so it was up $300, for the day. And then hopefully
Alright.
today we'll see where the market goes, and I can get it done and then get out.
And there were some days, so last week you got much more profit.
That's when you should get out, But
So-
sometimes we learn the hard way, but we
Yeah.
don't have to.
We are having fun over here.
Oh, so much fun.
Alright guys, let's see if ES is gonna come and be oversold.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, so just let's be patient. Patience is that's where you win on this in this game. So 25.33.5,
Oh,
25.33. So somewhere there, it will be oversold.
yep, Apple just broke through the 20 line.
Okay,
Joe.
we just got into the Boeing trade.
That's right.
So
So you just coached
what's
me
your
through.
price? What's your price?
Yep, so you just coached me through the Boeing trade.
What's
Average price 144. We're up $28 right now. 200 shares in.
144. That's where you were in.
Yep, 144.77.
The Boeing has a huge drop this time to buy.
Yeah.
All right, look at here. ES is oversold big time. Let's go buy. Let's go buy. There's some action over here. Nasdaq still has time to come down. And look at this. All right, we are in at 25.34. So if you listen a little bit earlier, I said 25.33.5, 25.33. That would be a place to get in. They went a little bit few ticks under. So now it's everything is up to management of my trade or my game. But looks like I'm already in profit, so looks like a great morning.
It's a wonderful morning.
Yeah, but it's just a nice, just patience, everything's patience, and then you manage
look at
and.
that. We're up $300 on Boeing.
Oh, love it!
Waiting for it to get up to 80
Yeah.
EMA now.
Yeah, all right.
You know, Joe's the one who taught me how to do 8
Yeah,
in
yeah.
EMA. And you see, if I jumped in today when I first got here, I was thinking, oh man, I'm going to be behind on all the trades. No. In fact, it's even better to wait because then you can even just let the market run a little bit.
Couple of minutes, yeah.
Yeah, and then now we can make better trades. But I'm going to move this market.
No.
What are you thinking?
Pull it, just leave it there. Take your profit, and
Oh.
then that's it. Just
Wow.
for now, yeah. We're just talking about.
Let's see where this momentum
Patience.
is.
Where do we need to come on Boeing to have a profit? To make up, where's your profit target?
Right now, profit target, well, 144.77 is the average price.
Where's the profit target?
147.4.
Okay, 147.4. So 147.04 or 40 cents
147.40 cents.
or 40 cents. Okay. So let's cheer for Rick over here.
Oh yeah.
Let's
We're
cheer
getting
for-
some resistance here.
That's fine. That's fine. We still didn't hit that 20. Or 8, I mean.
And then let's check let's check all the other ones too. How's Microsoft doing?
Alright, look at ES, they're pulling back Nasdaq, so Boeing is gonna pull back. Which one is that? See?
Yeah, it's Boeing.
Yeah.
That was
okay.
Microsoft earlier.
Alright.
Microsoft's quite the rally today. Look at that.
Yeah.
Actually bottom 200.
Yeah.
Tesla's down.
Okay, what do we have? GS?
GS is down.
Oh, GS is gonna be good to buy too.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but not yet, negotiated. Okay, Verizon. How about QQQ? Nasdaq.
Looks good.
Where's
It's
Nasdaq?
it's coming down right now, 186.
Yeah, here's. And we are NQ is QQQ.
Mhm.
So it's just gonna maybe pull back and then gone. So don't do it anything.
Mhm.
Alright, look at let's make here ES.
Oh, GS is making a comeback.
Order filled.
Alright, look at this. We made even ES hit our target right away. So we are 704.5 points in 13 minutes.
It's getting there. Oh yeah,
Alright.
yeah, it's gonna get there. Now let's take a look at Microsoft.
Microsoft going up.
Going up. Not a good buy right now.
No.
Overbought territory.
Yeah. What's Apple?
Apple is it's coming down. A little bit of
But
pullback.
we wanted to get up, so it's not good buy.
Right.
Okay, go GS again.
GS. Oh,
See.
GS is but that's not wasn't even a good setup. It was short
No.
territory.
Yeah. But I was saying like a Boeing, huge oversell.
Huge oversell. You're right.
Yeah. Okay, how about Facebook?
They've got a support zone now right here.
Yeah. How about Facebook? Well, because we are in a long, we're gonna wait for Facebook to go into setup for long.
Yeah. I'll pull the chart.
Go again, QQQ. Okay, let them set up for long. They're not
Yeah.
long yet. Alright, go back to this Boeing.
Okay.
Alright, looks like you have to lower this to here, to that line. They just don't wanna go, you see. So pull what you can. What you want?
I'm setting it back up.
Yeah, they don't wanna go there. So pull what they give you. It's always what market can give you. You pull that out and then look for another trade.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we'll see what you're gonna make. You're still in profit.
Still in profit.
Yeah.
$160.
Okay.
Just need this bar to flip.
Yeah. All right. So be careful here. They could go and just go in down trend, set up themselves. So we'll see. Be again patient.
Oh, here it is. About to execute.
Are we very close? Let's hear.
The Nasdaq's pulling this thing up.
Yeah.
Dow Jones. Let's check Dow Jones. The bar's literally about to flip. There it is. Wait for it. Wait for it. I have it just under 8. Come on, come on, come on. We're so close. Dow Jones. Dow Jones is coming up. Boeing's gonna. It's gonna execute.
Very close.
Oh, we were close. But
Yeah.
Nasdaq is still coming up. This thing's gonna.
Yeah. It
We're
should.
just gonna have the patience.
Yeah. They both are on ES. Nasdaq, they're going long.
Here it is. Here it is. Out. Yep.
Oh, we are how much?
Made $300.
All right, great. Those. What
There we
did
go.
you take? 10 minutes? Not even
Yep.
10 minutes.
Yep.
Great.
So,
Yeah.
you know, we could get up to 200 today, but 300's our goal today because we're walking away with something.
All right. So great, wonderful.
Let's look
So
at some
let's-
other trades.
All right. What's that one? Apple.
That's Apple.
It's setting up itself, but not set up yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going fishing.
Yeah. Microsoft again. It's all the way up, that's overbought.
Yeah, it's not cooling off.
GS,
GS.
no, not yet. CRM,
Oh yeah, actually. Once these flip over,
yeah, when they flip over then, but not yet.
Tesla.
AMD.
Tesla was way down earlier. Did you see that?
Yeah, this is scary.
It is.
AMD,
Tesla's got a mind of its own.
yeah. How about
It's
Facebook?
looking good. It was bump. I should have bought it at 200. That would have been good. Facebook.
Yeah,
Facebook.
same. Now there's no setup yet. MU,
Micron.
okay, not
It's setting up.
yeah. How about Verizon? Okay, let's see. Open a little bit.
There it is.
Open, just a little bit, not too much. That could be. How much is Verizon?
53.26.
That could be buy there.
Could it?
Yeah,
Yeah, that
Yeah.
line's staying above.
yeah. Go just market. Hit the market. How much you buying?
10.
10 is not.
There it is. Let's do 50.
Alright. And just go to this line. Profit there. So you're in Verizon?
Yeah, we're up right now. Already a buck,
Alright, it was something.
and then we got our sell target set up.
Yeah. You got on Verizon what price?
53.33.
And your exit?
Exit is set at 53.57.
Alright, so 24 cents or something.
24 cents. It's pretty good. Get us closer to our $500 goal today. Boeing's losing some steam.
Okay, now we got to be a little bit careful. Nasdaq is coming into the overbought, territory.
That's right. Apple's making its way back down
Yeah.
to my
Yeah,
trap,
to the alright.
to my bait.
Alright,
In fact, if it comes down there, it's 100.
great.
But we're using all the good indicators. And look, it's on an uptrend,
Yeah,
which is great to go long.
yeah. That's we're looking just for long trends.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah,
Oh man, Apple's in a free fall right now.
a little bit more, give it a little bit more.
Yeah, we're just literally we're a little less than $1.50 away from execution. But
Go-
if it does, I mean, we're already
Go
getting
to Verizon.
Verizon.
What's Verizon doing?
Verizon's just holding pretty much at 53.30, so we're still in the profit. But for now, we're kind of zeroed out. It's just holding steady.
Alright, what Nasdaq is doing is just setting itself for the long. Though we have a lower high, but 8 is about 20. And when they stay in upper side of the band, they like to go they just like to go for long.
Apple's really
Like
coming
here.
our way. Apple's really coming our way.
Alright, great.
We're about $1 away from execution.
Alright. So here's the example. They like to stay under and just go long. And we are above the support zone here. So we're just looking for long trades. And came almost to the zone.
So it looks like Boeing's on its way, continuing down. We
Is it?
made, yeah, so we sold our
Yeah.
shares at 140, what was it, 145.60 maybe?
Yeah,
Or
I know, but that's good. We're gonna get another.
146.
We're gonna get chance another trade and Boeing.
Exactly, so we just made money off the pure volatility of the market,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
because the price has just come back down to where we sold at. And, or beyond that really, so this is really good.
What's Verizon?
Verizon, it's holding pretty flat right now.
Yeah, still again going. You're just what
I'm down $5.
$5,
But
okay.
it's, yeah,
Alright,
you know,
that's fine,
It's-
but it's a good long setup,
it is.
yeah.
It's a really good long setup, and of course, it doesn't, you know, $5, that's not gonna mess us up for the day.
Yeah. What's that?
That's Apple, two
Okay.
traps setup. And it looks like NASDAQ's coming back
I
up.
wouldn't buy this one here, I would buy only here.
Would you?
Yeah, only down here. Yeah, I wouldn't buy there. And then, or wait for the setup up there.
Could go either way.
That could be double top and come down, whatever, so that's why. And I would buy only 100 for now. And that's what they are, only 100, not no more. Just let them see what they're gonna do.
We're
We're
keeping
still,
an eye on
yeah,
that,
we're still strong overnight. We have a green bar, nice long green bar on
Oh,
the
look at
daily.
Boeing.
On the daily.
Boeing's just coming straight down. Is
All
it-
right. Well, we're gonna have a good buy on Boeing again. So,
Again,
yeah,
yeah.
let them just come down.
Is it good to buy on the support zone?
No, not yet. Not yet. Look at how they're close.
Yeah.
So let them
all
drop.
the,
Yeah.
all the trends are down.
Let them drop again as they did,
Mhm.
and then we'll go again and make another hopefully $300-400.
Oh, this is too easy.
Yeah.
So Joe, how do you determine if it's in a oversold without the bands on this?
Well, it's just look at that move. They're not gonna. It's a Boeing.
Oh, you talking about the price difference
Yeah,
between 200 and
yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, between also 8, between 20 and price, and look at how much they dropped. They have to pull back somewhere. See,
Mm.
so now either they're making like a support or they're gonna drop even more. But let them go away, let them run away, then we'll get a comeback trade.
Yeah, it's a good call. We've also got a downward trend on Apple. So as time continues,
Okay, what's Verizon again, please?
Verizon
Still holding there.
still holding, developing a very strong support,
Yeah,
pretty much at where we bought it.
it's a good setup for long.
Exactly.
We'll pick up 20-30 cents and get
Probably,
out. Yeah.
probably more than that, to be
Yeah.
honest.
And it's looking good for long.
It is.
And Nasdaq is setting up itself for long, as you can see. Went down, tried down, couldn't make it, and then almost hit the even support zone, and now it's just setting up itself. Let's go just when you were
Order
saying
fell.
that. Let's go just and buy some.
Order submitted.
And let's see if we can make a few ticks.
Wow. Boeing's way down right
Yeah,
now.
let them. They're dropping for whatever reason.
They're in a free fall.
Uh,
Overbought.
no, it's not. You let them drop.
Well, they were overbought a couple days ago.
Yeah, oh well, double itself.
It was like 180.
Yeah, Boeing double itself.
Yeah, that was crazy.
All right, look at there. Look at there. Nasdaq is almost hit our target. All right, and our target is our entry is at 7681.75, and target is 7693.5.
That is a nice setup.
So there's your QQQ.
Mm-hmm.
Fine QQQ
There it is.
right there.
Mhm.
Well, yeah, there's a setup. Yeah, there's a setup you can buy if you have it there. Look at
Market?
it. Yeah, not market, no. Price.
This costs us too much money.
Yeah,
I'll set it for 30 on the white.
yeah.
There we go.
That was a great setup there.
Only
Order
trade with money
fell.
you can afford.
All right, we made again.
Wow.
We made
And
again.
it's surging.
A few ticks.
That was a good setup.
We are 924.5. Can we make 1,000 points today? Let's just
Order filled.
try to make 1,000.
Order
Can't
submitted.
believe you got in that. That's great.
7701.5 we are entry, and then we are exit at 7709.25. So
All right,
let's see if
Boeing's
we can
looking
reach.
pretty good right now.
Who?
Boeing.
Boeing. Boeing.
Yeah, right there on that support zone.
Yeah, but that support zone can just break and huge down.
Yeah.
Well, it's a little bit risky, but you can then just go for a point or two and that's it.
You can
Yeah. Yeah. Just market.
market.
You
Okay.
ready?
We're in Boeing, and we're gonna sell at
What's your what's your target? What's your price that you bought at?
145.04.
145.04. Okay. How many shares you bought?
100 shares.
100 shares. Get about a little bit point or two. That's what I would do, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe just a point or two. Yeah.
There it
Was
is.
that could
Let the rebound, and of course we can manage our trades as well
yeah.
because we didn't go all in. We
And
still
that's a
have,
Boeing. Yeah. It's oversold big time. So.
yeah, we still have enough funding to
Yeah.
be able to do what we need to do.
Okay, look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is now bouncing from EMA 8. Let's see, are we gonna have to manage this trade or are we gonna be just good with
But if it goes past 142, we're buying more.
No, don't, please. I wouldn't. Let it then go more and then we'll see when it's oversold. Then we'll just get more.
Yeah,
Yeah. We just got to manage the trade.
you gotta manage it.
Yeah, because that could become a resistance zone. Let them drop down, then go like this here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, something big, and then we'll just manage the trade. Okay, let's see Nasdaq. Nasdaq should be bouncing. This is nice setup for long on Nasdaq.
Oh, Apple's getting close to that 200 line.
Okay, what's QQQ?
Oh, that was a great setup right there.
Okay, there's we are in profit again. All right, and almost. Oh, it's touching our price. And won't take it out. Those are like when they're teasing with you.
Order
All right,
filled.
we hit.
Nice.
So we are 1,059 points,
Wow.
0.5 in 33 minutes. Okay, now got to be careful. We are in the overbought territory. What's your Verizon?
Verizon is.
All right,
Oh,
almost
we're up.
hitting. Almost
Oh
hitting.
wow,
Yeah, almost hitting. Hey,
that was a great setup.
all right, almost hitting your price.
And we'll just get out of market.
Yeah. All right, so you make the what? You made
$11.
$11 on Verizon. Hey,
Hey, you know.
it's for lunch.
I like it.
But every trade so far is good.
Exactly. And that one I didn't put a crazy amount of stake in
Yeah.
Verizon just because it doesn't have like a whole lot of movement,
Yeah.
you know.
Just a few pennies.
Just a few pennies.
What's a Boeing doing? Alright, Boeing wants to come back.
It's trying to.
Yeah.
And we're getting back up to our price that we bought it at. Right now it's 144. We're looking at a green bar, which is nice.
Are you in profit on right now?
We're just down $60.
Or $60?
But then
Okay.
for this entire stock,
Yeah.
we're still up 237.
Okay, look at Boeing. Look at how far is 20 and 200, and see how steep. So Boeing is going to be making comeback.
It will.
Yeah. My opinion, just my opinion.
Oh,
Doesn't
of
mean I'm
course.
right. Yeah.
No, I mean it's always good to have that opinion.
Yeah, just doesn't mean, but it's just a huge and steep sale.
But that's a huge green bar,
Yeah.
which it could be a big green and then continue down.
No, I think this time we're gonna be going a little bit more up.
But we broke even on Boeing, and we're just making money off the pure volatility of the market. This is ridiculous how much
Okay.
we're making.
What price you bought Boeing at?
145. So,
Exactly even?
Yep, pretty much.
How many shares?
100 shares.
100 shares,
So
okay.
about to break even right now.
And where do you wanna sell it?
We're gonna sell 147.
So that would be a couple $100.
Yep.
All right, that would be great. Another. So that would be $511 or something.
Yeah. If we're able to do it,
Yeah.
let's see.
Oh, we will. This is just that Boeing went too quick down,
Yeah.
so they need for some bounce.
I think it'll cross over.
Yeah.
20.
What's the price over here?
This one?
Yeah.
150.
Oh, I think they're gonna be coming to 150.
150.
Yeah. Okay, look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is oversold, but overbought territory, but ES is not. So Nasdaq could go up, pull down, and then go up again. So just be a little bit careful. We are in a long trend. So if you're gonna go long, if I would go long, that's how I should say. I would wait for some pullback and then buy at 8 and just go long.
Look at Tesla. Just crossover. Interesting.
Tesla, big drop on Tesla.
Tesla's got a mind of its own,
Yeah.
that stock.
Big drop on Tesla.
I don't like trading that stock because it goes up and down like it's not predictable, you know. Which you would think, you know, at least a blue chip
Yeah.
like that, you know, I mean, it'd be a little bit predictable and that it would always be going up, but
Just crazy.
it is crazy.
Let me see Boeing again.
Yeah.
All right, Boeing setting up for the.
These lines are getting closer.
Yeah, but look at how far away from here.
Mm-hmm. And of course, we can buy another 100 if we need.
Yeah, and the Boeing just dropped big time down.
Yeah, we've got the capital. We can do
Yeah.
it.
And you know that government said they're buying Boeing
Mm-hmm.
or Federal Reserve, whoever was buying.
Yeah. So Apple just had a big red right now. What's going on?
Well, there's gonna be pullback now on ES and Nasdaq.
That was a 70-point drop.
What means
70-cent drop. Right?
70 cents. Okay.
Okay, almost a full dollar
Yeah.
at this point. And
Well, just a bounce from 20.
200.
Yeah.
And the long-term trend's been supporting me.
Yeah.
And my losses are now on 10 shares of Apple, just $35. And that was just me being careless, and I left the shares in over the weekend after I made a ton of money on Apple. Always looking pretty good here.
Let's see. No, nothing. It's just there's pullback in markets now.
Mm-hmm.
You see, Nasdaq was in overbought territory, so as I said, expect some pullback
Mm-hmm.
to MA8, and then we'll go from there. If we're gonna go around long. Okay, sometimes they'll develop the trend above the bands, and they'll just run long. Sometime. Let me see if I can find. Here's a little downtrend. Usually they come down and they just went lower and lower under the bands, and that was towards the end of the day. But there was a pullback into the bands.
What do you know, walking this price back down?
Hmm?
You know, walking the price down.
On the Boeing?
Yeah.
No, not yet. That's this signal needs to fail, then you can buy more.
What signal?
This signal, green and red.
Oh yeah.
See?
So if it gets below this one.
No, it needs to fail. We need a new green bar, and then
Oh.
that signal needs to fail. But it's Boeing setting up for the long,
Mm-hmm.
but we still need the confirmation.
Oh.
You see, you need confirmation still.
Mm-hmm.
But as I can see, Boeing is setting up for a little run up,
Yeah.
long. Okay, so there was that one place they'll try like this, run and then pull back. So
Wow, that's way up on the
Yeah.
band.
So let's see what's gonna happen with them. It's just still early in the morning. That could be pulled back all the way to this support zone, which is a great place to buy.
Great place.
Yeah. So, unless it proves you wrong, but then you know what needs to be. Every bar you buy more and they're walking your price and until you're in profit.
That's right.
For now, it's just a stronger long trend.
Tesla's kind of, it's going, you know, they're going. It's there.
Yeah. Don't trust Tesla anymore. Just
I don't like Tesla. Look at Apple. Kind of riding the bottom of the 20 line.
yeah. It's setting up. Boeing still going down.
Still going down
Yeah.
slowly,
All right.
very slowly.
How much you're down?
200 on this trade, but of course we're gonna
Sure,
man
yeah.
with
Oh,
trade
manage,
management.
yeah.
Yeah,
You'll get out with this trade even with profit.
that's right. So I'm gonna
But I'm just saying here for the record, so that
just took that off, so now I can go back on a Boeing.
what was Boeing price you bought at?
145.
145.
It's down
Just for the record, yeah.
Yeah,
So I know it's gonna be over 145, so we'll make money.
exactly.
You'll make
It's like
money.
we're coming back up on a green bar right now.
Yeah. Let it prove itself.
Yeah.
It's important this signal to fail.
Mm-hmm.
Once that fails, then it's gonna go. Like like this one supposed to go down but didn't. It went up. That's where you made money.
Mm,
So we want them to set up itself,
yeah,
and then it's easy to jump in.
that's a good strategy.
Just watch what price is saying. Price is telling you everything.
Yeah.
You don't need many indicators there.
So we still got just over a minute on this bar.
Yeah, and this is 2-minute chart
Mm-hmm.
on the Nasdaq and ES. So
Apple's just kind of holding there. I think it's going to stay sideways for the day. I mean, it's just not doing anything until that 200 line catches up. There's nothing we can do. Let's see what.
what's QQQ?
Oh, I had a buy set up for QQQ on the white.
Actually, that nice run there. Yeah, that was here.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah,
How
that was
about
good.
DIA?
What is it?
DIA.
Diamonds?
Yeah. How much are they?
216.
216. See, that was nice setups.
Yeah, looks like they're setting back up again.
Yeah, let's see here. And we put there ES.
ES,
Yeah.
SP6.
Oh, SP. Yeah, it's SP. Yeah.
Right there. Wow.
How much is that?
2,561.
Oh, that's not for that.
Hit SPY. SPY works.
How much is SPY?
256. That's a great buy right there on the white.
On the white, yeah. But there was DI and the QQQ.
Well, at least we know now.
Yeah. DIA and QQQ.
Yeah. Boeing found a new low, 142.35. And
Boeing
so
is down big time today.
it is big. It is down big time. But we're, you know what? This is the long stock.
Yeah.
We're still up for the day on this trade, $20. So we're still doing good. You know, all it means is that we're able to harness the volatility in order
Yeah.
to make money.
Oh, you'll make on that. That's no problem.
Exactly.
145. You were in at 145.
Exactly.
Yeah, you'll make money.
So we just need to find the bottom here, wait for the bottom, and then have that confirmation on a green bar.
If nothing else, so there's a different tactics that you can come out profit. So
Yeah, there are
we'll make
many
some.
profits, many tactics.
All right, Nasdaq is in overbought territory, but ES is not. So that means we can still run long. Market still could run long until ES and Nasdaq are in overbought territory. So patience again. What's with see the news here? What's with the Boeing? Why they're jumping to win?
I don't know.
What's the headline?
Consensus Boeing's interesting below 120. Consensus revenue down 50%.
Did they come out with earnings?
No?
When is Boeing come out with earnings?
$4.22.
Alright.
So it's coming up soon.
Yeah, in 22 days, 23 days.
Yeah. Wow. A lot of good opportunity here.
Maybe you could buy some Boeing there. Just a market.
So that's 200.
Did you buy?
Yeah.
So how much you are in?
210 right now. We walked the price down to 143.79.
143 what? 143.79.
Yeah.
Alright, that's your average price?
Yep, because we saw
Okay.
big red
Yeah.
and then
So-
green.
So maybe 145 you can 146, 145 sell it.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's 100 shares.
But we're still up. Oh, yeah. We're at 210 right now.
Okay.
So 146 is a good target.
Yeah.
And we'll still be making money on both trades for the
So
day.
yeah, 143.7 and something you are in. So
Mhm.
146 you wanna get out.
Exactly. And
So you're over 2 points.
Yep.
So that would be over 400 points, over $400. That would be
Yeah.
so you'd be making 700 and
That's
over
right.
800 a day.
Our stake is really big right now in Boeing. We're up 210 shares. Usually we only trade with 100 shares at a time. So that way if something like this does happen, we can walk that price down.
Okay, yes, it's still is not overbought territory. So oversold. I mean overbought. Yeah, 25.80 for now would be overbought at this moment. So we'll see where these lines move. That means Nasdaq still has a big run. All right, as I expected, there will be Nasdaq set itself for a run.
Yep.
Okay, even if we go and sell now on Nasdaq, we can still make money. And let's do just a proof. We can walk our price
Order filled.
and just go for a few ticks.
Order submitted.
And let them just work their look at Nasdaq. It's pull almost hit our target,
Yep.
but then turn around.
Because we were able to manage our trade, buy more shares of Boeing when it got down, we're about up to break even on Boeing now that it's at 143.79. We're in 210 shares with an audit execute sell just below 146. So
So we should be great there.
this is gonna be great. We don't need this anymore. I will leave it.
Okay.
the trade, and we did.
Yeah,
Yep. So
break even.
broke even on the trade, and we're still up for that last trade. That $300 that we made on the last trade.
Wow.
That's ours again.
Yeah.
And we just found a really good low on Boeing that we can just really
Order filled.
capitalize on.
Okay, we just sold one more on the Nasdaq contract, and we're just above EMA8, but we want to just pull out some profit, and that's it. They're running almost touch up price. They're running long. So all of them just get some points, and that's it. Don't need to pray or whatever, you know.
Panic.
Yeah, come my way, come my way. We made a few trades, 3 trades, we made over 1,000 points, and this is gonna be a little bit extra for lunch. Alright,
Some extra lunch
Order
money.
filled.
alright, another couple. Well, that was only one contract.
Order submitted.
Oh,
Order
there's
filled.
another one. 1,244.5 points, it's great. In 53 minutes, which is absolutely great. So Boeing is going up, trying to go up, hitting
It's
20,
trying.
but setting up itself for some
Support.
return. Yes,
It's got a support right there.
so for going long.
But right now we're just down $100 on the trade, still up $200 in general on Boeing today, and we're making good money.
Yeah.
We're still making good money right now.
You're
Once-
just under 146 on target price.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so I'm sure it's gonna be today 146.
Exactly.
So we'll see. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see tomorrow. We'll see another video. We'll see if Boeing hits 146 today.
That's right.
If not, we'll just hold the Boeing, and we'll come out with a profit.
Exactly.
Yeah. So far you're what, $311?
We're
In
up
profit.
for $180. Well, $200 for today, but we're still
No,
in
forget this. How much you made first trade in Boeing,
first trade in Boeing $300.
and then you made 11 on Verizon.
Yep.
Okay, so that's you were 311 in profit.
Yep.
Yeah, and we'll make this one trade positive. So
This
we'll
is-
let you
yep.
know tomorrow.
We're still positive. I mean, we're
Yeah.
doing a lot of good stuff right here. So
All right.
thanks for checking us out.
All right, we'll see you then in another video. Take care.